Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about what is the name of this emoji and where it is used. Okay, so let's get started. The name of this emoji is warning sign and hazard sign. Okay, and it is used for indicating caution, danger, and important alerts. Okay, you can understand this emoji by an example, like for an example, first danger sign. First use this emoji danger sign, and then you write and then you write a paragraph like please proceed with caution. Okay, wait for flood ahead. Okay, and or your account has security alert, and then paste and then hit this emoji. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you find this video as an important video for you, then please hit a like button. Thank you.